In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points on Google Slides. If you've ever had a slide full of text that feels hard to scan, bullet points are the quickest way to add structure, highlight key ideas, and improve readability. We'll follow a simple flow that works great in the Google Slides app, and the same logic applies if you're on the web. First, launch Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in and that you've got a reliable connection so your changes save automatically. Next, select your presentation from your recent files or from your drive and open it. Navigate to the slide where you want to add a bulleted list. If you're concerned about changing existing content, remember you can always use undo to back out of a format change. Tap the slide and enter edit mode. On mobile, look for the pencil or an edit option to begin making changes. Once you're in, tap inside the text box you want to format so the cursor appears. Bullets apply to text within a text box, so getting that box active is important. Now choose whether you're converting existing text or starting fresh. If you already have lines of text, select the exact words you want to turn into a list. Drag the selection handles to include multiple lines at once. If you're starting a new list, simply place the cursor where your first bullet should go and you're ready. At the top of the screen, tap the format icon. It looks like a capital A with small horizontal lines. This opens the formatting tools for your current text box and puts list controls within easy reach. If you don't see it right away, tap to reveal the toolbar. Tap the bulleted list icon, the one with dots and short lines. Instantly, your selected text is converted into a neat, standard bullet list. If your cursor was in an empty spot, you'll see the first bullet appear, ready for you to type. Press return to add the next bullet, and when you're done, press return twice to exit the list. Need subpoints? Use the indent controls to create nested bullets, then decrease indent to return to the main level. Prefer numbers instead of dots? Choose the numbered list icon in the same toolbar. If you change your mind, tap the bulleted list icon again to remove bullets. You can also refine the look, adjust font size, weight, color, and even line spacing to make each point clear and readable. That's it. Launch Slides, open your deck, enter edit mode, select or position your text, tap format, and then tap bulleted list. With these quick steps, your slides become cleaner, easier to follow, and far more engaging.